Om Guram Mate. Om Guram Mate. My dear Tantrika students, in the last class, in the previous class, we have discussed about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles and also about the trigonometric table. Okay? Now let us see some of the examples and exercise problems on the values of trigonometric ratios of some specific angles and properties. Okay? Now let us see. Now let us discuss about example number 4 in your textbook. Okay? Page number 286. Okay? Now, this is example number 4. Now, in triangle ABC, right angle is at B. Okay? And AB equal to 5 centimeters. Okay? And angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Okay? Now, determine the length of the side BC and AC. Okay? Now, see here. Now, example number 4. Okay? Now, example number 4. What is given? ABC say right angle triangle. Right angle is to B. Okay? So, we have to start a figure. Right angle triangle. Okay? Right angle triangle at the point B. Okay, now A C. Okay, now angle ACB equal to 30 degrees, which what angle CY get. Okay, angle CY is given. Okay, now 30 degrees. Okay. And AB equal to 5 centimeters. Okay? AB equal to 5 centimeters. Okay? Now, what we have to find? We have to find the side. We have to find the value of side BC and AC. Okay? Now, given data. Write down. Given data. Given data. Okay? Given data. What is given? What is given? Angle AB equal to 5 centimeters. AB equal to 5 centimeters. And the angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Okay? Angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now from the figure, from the figure, okay, from the figure, for angle ACB equal to 30 degrees, for angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees. Okay, angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Now, write down sin 30. Okay, sin 30 degrees equal to what? Sin 30 degrees equal to what? Half whole side by hypotenuse. Okay? what is opposite side of 30 degrees AP? Okay, opposite side. I am writing directly because we are aware, we are very well known about the technology issues and their definitions. Okay, now we can apply directly the formula to the given problem. Okay, now so sin 30 degrees is equal to AB by AC. Okay? AB by AC. Okay? Now, sin 30 is equal to what? Or here you can write angle AC equal to 30 degrees. Opposite side equal to AB equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, 5 centimeters. And adjacent side equal to what? BC, that is unknown. Okay, and the hypotenuse equal to AC. Okay, hypotenuse equal to AC. Okay, now for angle AC equal to 30 degrees, sin 30 defined as opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, now opposite side equal to what? AB by AC. AC equal to hypotenuse. Okay, so sin 30 is equal to what? I will discuss on the trigonometry table. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 equal to AB value we don't know. AB value we know. Given already. So 5 by AC. Okay? 5 by AC. Why? 5 by AC. Now sin 30 equal to 1. Why? Because since sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now 1 by 2 equal to 5 by 80. Now do cross multiplication. Okay, so 1 into AC. 1 into AC equal to 5 into 2. Okay, by doing cross multiplication, what we can add 1 into AC equal to 5 into 2. Okay, now 1 into AC equal to AC. Okay, AC equal to 5 to the 10. So 10 centimeters. AC equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, next you have to find what? BC. Okay, AC computed, you have to find BC. For that what you have to take? You have to take tan 30. Okay, tan 30 into what? With the given data only, we should find out the unknown values. Okay, so what is the given data? AB. So AB is the opposite side for the angle C. So we can apply either sin theta, either cos theta or tan theta, no problem. Okay, now let us apply cos theta. Okay, cos theta. Okay, now for angle, ACB equal to 30 degrees. ACB equal to 30 degrees. Okay, cos 30 equal to what? Cos 30 degrees equal to cos 30 degrees equal to what? Cos 30 degrees equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? Side BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay, now cot 30 degree is equal to what? Already we know. Root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 equal BC. BC we don't know. So, BC equal BC. BC by AC. BC by AC. AC equal to what? 10. Is equal to 10 centimeters. So, BC is equal to 10. Okay. Now, here we have to write since cot 30 equal to cot 30 degrees equal to cot 30 degrees equal to cot 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Okay, now 2 cos 150. So root 3 into 10. Root 3 into 10 by equal to 2 into BC. 2 into BC. Okay. Now 2 into BC equal to 2 into BC equal to when doing cos multiplication we can get it as root 3 into 10 equal to 2 into BC. Okay. Now 2 into BC equal to root 3 into 10. Okay. Both are correct but root 3 into 10. These two steps are correct but what is the unknown value? Okay. The unknown value of a variable should be under left hand side. Okay. That is the rule in mathematics. So, we go into that one. 2 into BC equal to 3 into 10. Now, BC equal to root 3 into 10 by 2. Root 3 into 10 by 2. So, 2 under 2 5 okay, 2 under 2 5 so BC equal to 5 root 3 centimeters. Okay, 5 root 3 centimeters. Okay, in the value of BC. Okay, therefore the length of the side AC and BC are 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Okay, this is your example number 4. Okay, then we can discuss example number 5. Okay. Now example number 5. Let us discuss. Okay. Okay, example number 5. Okay. What is example number 5? The chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 50 degrees at the center. Okay. Now find the length of the chord. Okay. Now, first what you have to do, you have to draw a circle, okay? Draw a circle first. Okay? This is the circle. Okay? This is the center. Okay? The center is making the angle 50 degrees. Okay? 50 degrees. Okay? At the center will be O. Now, this is the chord AB. And the radius is given. Radius is equal to what? 6 centimeters. So, OA equal to OB. 6. Okay? Now, write down. Given data. Given what is given. Okay? Write down given. Angle AC equal to OA equal to OB equal to what the radius is now? The radius definition was join center and any point on the circle is known as radius. So OA equal to OB equal to 6 centimeters and angle AOB equal to AOB equal to 50 degrees. Okay? Now let us discuss the problem. Now, example 5. So, OA equal to OB equal to OA equal to OB equal to what? There is nothing but the area of the circle. So, OA equal to OB equal to 6 centimeters and center angle. Center angle means what? Angle AOB equal to 50 degrees. Okay? Now for this triangle, I am drawing one median. Okay, on median. Okay, median OD. Okay, so OD divides the median OD means what? DD means part of AB. Okay, now on the figure, on the figure, angle AOB and angle AOD equal to angle BOD. Okay, angle BOD. Okay, angle BOD. Okay, so and angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to angle AOB. Okay, angle AOB. Okay, now into what? Angle AOD, this angle with this angle equal to angle AOB. Okay, here angle AOD equal to angle BOD. Why? Because the angle OD is the median of the triangle. Okay, the median divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay, so angle AOD equal angle BOD. So in the place of angle AOD, I am substituting angle BOD. So angle BOD plus angle BOD equal to angle BOD plus angle BOD equal to BOD plus angle BOD equal to angle BOD equal to 60 degrees. Okay? 50 degrees. Okay? Now angle BOD plus angle BOD what? 2 into angle BOD. 2 into angle BOD. 2 into angle BOD equal to 60 degrees. Okay? Now angle BOD equal to what? 60 degrees by 2. Angle BOD equal to 2 is multiplied with angle BOD. So 2 is go to adjustment, multiplication becomes division. Okay? So angle BOD equal to 50 degrees by 2. 50 degrees by 2. Okay, 50 degrees by 2. Okay? So now 2 on the 230 are. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 2 0 is 0. So angle BOD equal to angle BOD equal to 30 degrees. Okay? This is the angle measurement. Okay? Angle BOD. Okay? Now again from the figure, from the figure, from the figure, AD equal to dB. Why? Since OD is the median of the triangle ABC, the point DB is the midpoint of the side AB. So AD equal to dB. Okay? AD equal to dB. Okay? And now what? AB equal to AD plus dB. Okay? AD plus dB. Okay? So AB equal to what? A equal to dB, no? So in the place how AD is up to dB. Then AB equal to dB plus dB. dB plus dB. Okay? So AB equal to 2 into dB. Okay? AB equal to 2 into dB. Okay? 2 into dB. This is equation number 1 now. Okay? Now we have to find what dB are you. Okay? Now in triangle AB, in triangle BOD. In triangle BOD is right angle triangle. Why? At the point D, right angle is forming. Okay? So it is a right angle triangle. So we can apply technology 8 shows. Okay? Now from triangle, in triangle BOD, in triangle BOD, okay, BOD for angle BOD equal to 30 degrees, for angle BOD equal to 30 degrees, BOD equal to 30 degrees. Okay, before you go 30 degrees, sin 30. Okay, sin 30 you have to check. Y, we have to find the y of BD. Okay, DB of BD same. Okay, so we have to find y of DB. Now for angle BOD, DB is the opposite side. Okay, so opposite side now, opposite by hypotenuse. The hypotenuse y is given. Okay, so we have to take opposite by hypotenuse ratio. Nothing but sin 30. Okay, sin theta. Okay, so sin 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree is equal to dB by OB. Okay, dB by OB. Okay. Now sin 30 equal to what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to dB by 6. Okay. dB by OB. OB equal to what? 6 centimeters. Okay. Now, so dB by 6 equal to 1 by 2. dB by 6 equal to dB by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, dB by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So what you can get? What you can get? dB equal to 1 by 2 into 6. 1 by 2 into 6. Okay. 1 by 2 into 6. Okay. Now 2 1 2 theta. 2 1 2 theta. Okay. So dB equal to what? 3 centimeters. Okay. dB equal to what? 3 centimeters. Okay. Okay, now substituting the value of dB in the equation 1. Okay. Okay, substituting dB equal to 3 centimeters in dB equal to 3 centimeters in equation 1. Okay, in equation 1. Okay, now then we can get it as AB equal to into dB. AB equal to 2 into dB. 2 into dB. Okay, now that is equal to AB equal to what? dB value already we know 3 centimeters. Okay, so that is nothing but AB equal to 2 into 3 centimeters. Okay, 2 into 3. Okay, now AB equal to 2 3 is 6. So AB equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, AB equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, this is the length of the chord. Okay, AB means what? Chord, you know. Okay, therefore the length of the chord is 6 centimeters. Okay, this is your example number 5. Okay, all very easy. If you know the trigonometry table and its values. Okay, next we can go to the next example. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss about example number 6, page number 288. Okay? Now, what is example number 6? In triangle PQR, right angle is into Q. Okay? PQ equal to 3 centimeters and PI equal to 6 centimeters. Okay? Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. Okay? Now, write down. Example number 16, triangle PQR and triangle PQR. Okay, right angle is Q. Okay? So, at the point Q we are having right angle. Okay? So, P R. Okay? Now, so now what is given? PQ equal to centimeters. Okay? PQ equal to 3 centimeters. Okay? And PI equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, PI equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, now we have to find the remaining two angles values. Okay, now write down given. What is given? Yeah, what is given? Angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Angle Q equal to 90 degrees. Okay, next. PQ equal to 3 centimeters. PQ equal to 3 centimeters. And PI equal to 6 centimeters. Okay? PI equal to 6 centimeters. Okay? This is the given data. Okay? Now, for angle QPR, for angle QPR, okay? QPR, adjacent are equal to what? Adjacent are equal to QR. Okay? QR I did not give. So adjacent are equal to QR. Okay? Opposite are equal to what? Adjacent are equal to PQ. Sorry. No. For angle QPR, adjacent are equal to what? PQ. Okay, for angle QPR into for angle P. Okay? Now, so adjacent are equal to what? PQ. PQ equal to 3 centimeters. Okay? Now, opposite are equal to what? Opposite are equal to what? Opposite are equal to what? QR. QR I we don't know. So QR equal to QR. Okay? Hypotenuse is equal to what? PR. Okay? PR. Okay? Equal to what? 6 centimeters. Okay? Now for angle QPR, for angle QPR, for angle QPR, what is the angle? For angle QPR, adjacent and hypotenuse is given. So we can take cos trigonometric ratio. So cos P equal to cos P. Okay? Cos P equal to PQ by PR. Okay? PQ by PR. Okay? Now why we are taking only cos P, we can take another trigonometric ratio now. We can take, but the value of PQ and PR given. So with the given values we can obtain the angle in easy man. So we took cos P equal to PQ by PR. So cos P equal to PQ. What is PQ? 3. 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Now 3 2 the 6. 3 1 the 3. So cos P equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now cos P equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now cos P equal to what? Cos P equal to cos 60. Okay, cos 60 degrees. Why? Cos 60 degrees equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, cos P equal to cos 60 degrees. Okay, cos P equal to cos 60 degrees. Why? Because since cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So therefore cos P equal to cos 60 degrees. So cos theta 1 equal cos theta 2. So theta 1 equal theta 2. So therefore angle P equal to 60 degrees. Okay, angle P equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Angle P into what? Angle QPR. Okay. So therefore angle QPR equal to 60 degrees. Okay, angle QPR equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Now next what you have to find out angle QRP. Okay. Now this angle we obtained. Okay. Now we have to find the angle R. Okay. Now for angle same concept we have to apply. Okay. For angle QRP, okay? QRP equal to angle QRP. Okay, adjacent are equal to what? Adjacent are equal to what? QR. Okay? Now, opposites are equal to what? Opposites are equal to what? Opposites are equal to PQ equal to 3 centimeters. Okay, 3 centimeters. Okay, now hypotenuse equal to what? Hypotenuse equal to PR. PR equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, 6 centimeters. Okay, now what to do? We have to find the value of angle. Okay, for that. Now for angle QRP. Okay, for angle QRP. For angle QRP. For angle QRP. QRP sin R equal to PQ by PR. Okay? PQ by PR. Why we are taking only sin R? Because opposite by hypotenuse. Okay? Opposite side hypotenuse lies again. Instead of sin r, you can take cosec r also. Okay? Why? Because sin r into cosec r equal to 1. In order sin theta into cosec theta equal 1. So we can take either sin r or cosec r. Okay? Now sin r equal pq by pr. So sin r equal to sin r equal to sin r equal to PQ. What is PQ? What is PQ? 3 by 6. Okay, 3 by 6. Okay, 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. T2 dot T1 dot. So sin r equal to sin 30. Okay, sin 30 degrees. Okay, so angle I equal to y since sin 30 equal 1 by 2. Since sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay, now sin 30 equal 1 by 2. Now sin I equal sin 30 on. Therefore, angle I equal to 30. Angle I equal to 30 degrees. Okay, angle I into what? Angle QRP. So therefore, angle QRP equal to angle QRP equal to 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees. And QRP equal to 30 degrees. Okay, in this way you can find out the angles of right angle triangle if two sides are given by using the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Okay, now this is today's class. In next class we can discuss the remaining problems. Okay, thank you.